প্রিয় দর্শক, ছাত্র শিবিরের প্রোগ্রামে মালয়েশিয়ার ছাত্রনেতা এসেছেন এবং বক্তব্য দিয়েছেন। শুনুন সেই বক্তব্যটি।
By Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala with the opportunity to continue fostering ukhuwah and strengthening the relationship between PKPIM and Bangladesh Islamic Charter Shibir, a bond that has endured by many years. Every year, our friend from Charter Shibir who visit Malaysia take the time to visit our office. And then, the one more I liked when my friend from the Charter Shibir come to Malaysia. They keep ask the question to me, consistently been asked to me and my seniors. This question that was asked 10 years ago, 20 years ago, and 30 years ago. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess it? The question is, how many of your members already shahid? How many of your members, PKPI members, already shahid to do the da'wah in the Malaysia? This question is not just rhetorical. It reflects the profound commitment and sacrifices undertaken by our brothers. It serves a powerful reminder of the dedication, sacrifices, and ultimate goal of the struggle to uphold the truth under the banner of Islam. My friend, brothers, me as a Malaysian from a Charter Shibir journey, there are many lessons we can learn. Among them is consistency in upholding the truth. A long struggle has finally met the fall of the Hasina government. This remarkable achievement, as confirmed by the leader of the Jamaah Islami, was driven by the pivotal role by Charter Shibir as the backbone of the peace movement. We, as PKPM, did not remain silent when our brothers and sisters faced a crisis last July. On 31 July 2024, we sent a memorandum. Can you change slide? Yes. We sent a memorandum to the High Commission Bangladesh in Malaysia as a sign of solidarity. We are deeply aware. I or you cannot do everything, but each of you can do things. If we do it together, we can do everything. Takbir! Takbir! La ilaha illallah! Muhammad Rasulullah!
অবশ্যই আপনার মতামতটি জানিয়ে যাবেন।